In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project template. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, begin by locating the Create button on the top left of your screen. This little button is your gateway to starting something new. With a simple click, it opens up a world of possibilities, including the one we're focusing on today, creating a project. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so you can find what you need with ease. Once you've clicked on Create, a menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Project. This selection is crucial as it sets the stage for the next steps where you can tailor your project to suit your specific needs. After selecting Project, you'll see a number of options appear, one of which will be Use a Template. The Use a Template option is designed to streamline your workflow. By using a template, you can save time and ensure consistency across similar projects. Clicking on this option will take you to another area of the interface where you'll need to navigate to the My Organization tab. This tab is especially useful if you're working within a team or company, as it provides access to templates that are tailored to fit your organization's standards and practices. Inside the My Organization tab, you'll find an option that says Create New Template. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the real magic happens, as you're about to carve out a template that will serve as a foundation for future projects. Now, it's time to start with a project name. Choosing an appropriate name is more important than it seems. It helps with organization and recall later on, especially when you're managing multiple projects at once. Make sure it's something clear and descriptive, so everyone involved knows exactly what this template is for. After setting your project name, the next step is to add the View tabs for your new template. View tabs are customizable components that offer different perspectives on your project data. Depending on your needs, these could be anything from task lists, calendars, or Gantt charts. Think about what views will best serve the project's purpose and include those here. Once you've added the necessary view tabs, go ahead and click Create Project. And there you have it. The system will generate your new template and add the project to your workspace, making it readily accessible whenever you need it. And that's all it takes to create a new project template. With this template in place, you can accelerate the setup of future projects, ensuring they start on the right foot. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful for your upcoming endeavors.